everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today is a 2-minute tip for you, and it's a great one because it's all about storage and organization, which I know you love, and I have one for you using the new Scrapbook.com ColorCase Stackables. So Scrapbook.com sent these to me to try out, and I think they're awesome because they're great for on the go. So if you go to crops or you travel with your crafting, which I know lots of you do, they're great for that. They're also awesome for those of you who have smaller spaces. So it's also great for those too. So they come in 2 different sizes. There's the 1 ounce size, which is this one here. And then there is the 1/2 ounce size, which is this one here. And they stack together. So the 1/2 ounce ones all stack together and the 1 ounce ones all stack together. So you can get multiples and stack them. Now I filled this one up here with my alcohol inks, and it fits tons of different 1/2 ounce size bottles. So what's a 1/2 ounce size bottle? Your alcohol inks, your alcohol ink pearls, your distress oxide refills, really any of your Reinker ink fills. So things like your Wendy Vecchi ones, your Simon Hurley ones, your stickles, your liquid pearls, your Scrapbook.com hybrid refills, they're going to be your 1/2 ounce bottles, your alcohol lift ink refill, your multi-matte mediums, your alcohol blending solution in small, they are all 1/2 ounce bottles. So there are tons and tons of things that you can fit in this one. So I think you're going to find this one really useful. So you can stack them up and they're upside down. So they're always ready to go, particularly when you've got things like your stickles on that in there. So I really like that. And of course I had to put them in rainbow order. Then in the 1 ounce size, which is over here, again, I've got some examples for you. So what's a 1 ounce size bottle? All of your Nuvo bottles are going to fit in here. So here I put my jewel drops in here, but your glow drops, your normal crystal drops, they're going to fit. Your new stone drops are going to fit in here. Your collage medium, your Dina Wakley acrylic paints, your vintage drops, these are all 1 ounce bottle, as are your Finnabar acrylic paints. Any really 1 ounce circular bottles are going to fit in here. Your distress paints are going to fit in here. Your American Craft Color Pop paints, all of those are going to fit in this of the 1 ounce ColorCase Stackables. You can fit 8 of them in the large and 10 of them in the small. So really, really versatile. As I say, if you go to crops, and of course they've got lids, and the lids really clip on, so they're great for travel. Crops, if you travel to crafting events, all of those things, they're really, really versatile. And I think for small spaces, they're going to fit in your Rastcogs, in your a la cartes for American Crafts, all of those things, they're going to work really, really well. So that's today's 2-minute top storage tip. I hope you have enjoyed that. I also like the fact that if it keeps your Nuvo drop upside down, ready to go, it's ready to squeeze. So I think that's really cool too. As I say, links as always are in that video description for you. So hop on over and take a look at them. You can get multi-packs, variety packs, all those kinds of things, or you can get them individually too. So check out those links. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. Notifications of our daily tips, tricks, tutorials, all of those fun things. If you have a video request, leave it in the comments below. We always want to know what you want to see here at Hedgehog Hollow in our daily videos. We do read all of your comments. We can't reply to all of them, but I do read every single one. And if you have a video request, I say leave it in the comments and join our channel perks program, because if you shop a lot for your crafting supplies, you can save a ton of money on all of your crafting supplies, and it helps us produce daily content for you. We really want to produce the best crafting content for you to use in all of your crafting across the spectrum of paper crafting and DIY and all of those fun things. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.